Most definitely.
Yeah, tell him to take out the eBay parts. Oh my god.
Why you guys gotta be such savages?
No,
like
it's
that?
just this guy. It's just Caveman XD. Like he's just like fucking roasting all of it. Cameraman equals social media manager? Question mark. No.
No, I'm CK David.
Ideal for drifting if you have a drift button. Yes, Pepsi is very good. I think Pepsi soda. Oh, interesting.
Mm-hmm.
You think Pepsi soda? What? What the fuck is this and how did I get here?
Well, you went on the internet and made a few wrong decisions. And then you found us. So it's a great day, actually. You got lucky.
I can't even type in my own chat because I have to be following my channel for 10 minutes before I can type in chat. Fuck, I feel your guys' pain now. The people that are like, I had to wait 10 minutes to say something. I'm like, oh, I feel you now.
Now you understand.
Cave is triggered by the car mod. Let's see if they rev more with Blondie Plus.
Probably, honestly.
I don't think so. I do not think so. What's wrong with my eBay cat? Just kidding. Are there any mods on your car? Mine's just straight pipes, shoots flames, that's it. Pretty basic. We drive it so much that it's we take it to California like fucking 50 times a year, so I don't want to like fucking do too much to it. It's fast though. It beats that 2017 GTR.
I mean, yeah, but
yeah.
that's not expecting much.
Wow, you're the new savage now. Hey, it's the
Don't bring
yellow
GTRs into the
Dunmobile.
question.
Looks like Bronstone car park. No one dares park there. What?
I don't even know.
So let's go over here real quick.
Yeah, okay, wait. Can we just talk about your fake BBS wheels that you're trying to pass off as real?
Oh, shut the fuck up.
Like, I've seen these on eBay for like $100 for
Yeah,
all four.
totally. Actually,
I
they
knew
were
it.
$50 a rim.
Wow, did you go on Alibaba?
So you're going to like play the part of like the mean trolley viewer, and I'm gonna be the streamer.
All right. What the fuck are you doing? Honestly, this is some bullshit, and you're not even social distancing. Even though Utah's a yellow zone, and we're good, but I don't know. Do you think your car's fast or something?
No. Why? Do you want to race for $1,000?
Yeah, I have a sweet turboed Civic, and like I'll totally smoke you, guaranteed.
I've been smoked by a Civic before.
That's what I'm saying. It was me.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
But it's real. I'm walking backwards. This is like going into like a fucking like vortex.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I'm being interrogated.
Hey, wait, come back. You're under arrest for being way too hot and having way too nice of a car.